Hey there, little update on the 1800s barn project here. Kinda not happy with the guy I hired to do the work here. Can you tell what's going on already? Can you notice anything that doesn't seem quite right? I mean, it might just be me, but look at those footings. I won't say the company's name, but or the guy's name or crew or whatever. But look at this footing. This is the main footing. Shut up! Main footing off of what they call the is it cradle or something? I don't know. My book's inside that describes all of it. But anyways, he's gonna replace this board. Get out of here! Get frig out of here! Anyways, I told him I was gonna fill the floor in on the inside here. It's just black dirt, probably old manure. I'm gonna replace this all with gravel. Low end here, but there was actually a little floor. Dig all the black dirt out and backfill with gravel. Once I backfill, this footing might be okay, but okay. Yeah, that's not level. I didn't move anything, and there's no string line. Well, there's that, but if you use a string line, the guy would have made these two level, right? I mean, I'm not no professional cement person, concrete person, but I would at least make the two that I'm replacing on the same wall, same height, right? I mean, that one's... It's about where that wire comes out. Can you see that? I mean, the beam is gonna be under grade. I'm gonna put a line on this quick, and we'll see where he's at. All right, I'm back, which was only like 20 minutes, probably half an hour. And I figured this out myself. Maybe I don't need to be hiring somebody to do this. So this foundation, hopefully I can leave it here. Stuck a board there. Transferred the depth of the level, which is like 2 1/4 or 5/16 or something. I got a line on there. I mean, as you can see it's level? It's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. We go over and here's what I get. And I'm pretty darn close. It could go down on that end just a hair, or up down there just a hair. I mean, then we're like perfect, see? Touch it just a little bit there. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so technically that should be up another 1/8 inch maybe, which would make that one low. It's already low. I mean, I was thinking he could leave this one in here. It's kind of an extra he's putting. There was not an original beam right here. It's like 12 feet across, I believe. That one needs to be replaced. I'm not so concerned about it, since we're putting a new beam here. But there's a 45 degree that goes way up to the corner hayloft there, which that's actually the end of it, right there. That would be coming pretty close. I think we'll probably just put big bolts from here up in there. It's big carriage bolts. Anyway, how low is this one? Let's find out. What are we at? Nearly exactly 2 inches. What is this one gonna be? Remember, that string is a little low too. I mean, that string can go up like a 16th or an 1/8 probably. 11, 12. I don't know why he didn't. So that's like probably 2 inches below. So this one's like 8 inches off, maybe 9. I mean, come on. Is that shoddy work or is that shoddy work? I mean, how am I gonna frame a wall into this afterwards for my insulation? You can't have a wall coming across like this when it's, he's like down here. I mean, he's like right here. I mean, this needs to be backfilled. I mean, the dirt on the inside, when I get some of that old stuff, the old black dirt out, it's gonna be above that. I mean, that one's very borderline, but could probably make that one work. But this is the main load carrier. I think this one needs to be redone. Needs to be deeper and taller. The whole thing needs to be like a foot and a half. I'd like to go 2 feet, because there's a lot of weight there. It's supporting the roof and everything. Anyways, maybe I should fire this guy and just do it myself. I just want expertise while I'm doing it. I paid for what? $800 I paid him, and I've bought $100 worth of concrete also. So that's like $900 into it. 800 giving him straight out. Is this $800 worth of work? Anybody? Anybody? And just to let you know, most of this was open already. He didn't take no wood off here. I had tarps over it. Most of this was rotted away. I had tarps over it. They ripped a few boards off. They were rotten. They didn't even cut them. They just fucking ripped them off. Like, those should be cut halfway to do it right. How are you going to secure those later? You're going to have to put toenailing boards behind it. It's stupid. Oh, he might have cut one there. Yeah, he did. I was out here that one day for a little while. I told him we should be cutting them off, not breaking them off. I love wasting money. I love wasting money.